Lexus has become synonymous with reliability over the years, but that certainly isn't by accident. Since hitting the scene back in the 90s, Lexus has had a lot of models that will reach 300,000 miles just with a little regular maintenance. It comes down to a combination of good quality, well-built engines, and a good reputation that helps keep resale value high. It is a magical combo that has helped Lexus remain one of the most reliable brands to this day. But with so many options out there, what are some of the most reliable Lexus cars they've ever made? Below are a few that have a proven history of durability and owner satisfaction. Let's get started. Number 9. 2008 Lexus SC. Engine, 4.3-liter V8. Horsepower, 288 HP. Torque, 317 pound-feet. The SC had a pretty controversial design, but it has proved itself to be a reliable and long-lasting model over the years. According to US News, it has low maintenance costs and the same high-quality Lexus build quality. Your grandparents definitely have one at home in Florida, and it probably drives to the clubhouse and back a few times a week. Reliability. J.D. Power Reliability Score, 5 out of 5. Kelley Blue Book Reliability Score, 4.78. Repair Pal Annual Maintenance Cost, $443. Number 8. 2012 Lexus ES. Engine, 3.5-liter V6. Horsepower, 286 HP. Torque, 248 pound-feet. The 2012 ES has many of the same markings as the other models: a comfortable ride, a luxurious interior, and a solid V6. As long as you keep up with maintenance and replace parts as they need, it should stay running well past the 200,000-mile mark. Kelley Blue Book gave it high marks, but many owners corroborated the scores. Reliability. J.D. Power Reliability Score, 5 out of 5. Kelley Blue Book Reliability Score, 4.78. Repair Pal Annual Maintenance Cost, $415. Car Edge Chance of Major Repair in the first 5 years, 3%. Number 7. 2010 Lexus LS. Engine, 4.6-liter V8. Horsepower, 380 HP. Torque, 367 pound-feet. The 2010 Lexus LS was almost like the Rolls-Royce of the 2010s, with its luxurious interior and long wheelbase. It had a V8 that was pretty powerful and remains a solid option for commuters. Low maintenance costs, high reliability scores, and good reviews from owners on Kelley Blue Book make this one of the finest sedans still around. Reliability. J.D. Power Reliability Score, 5 out of 5. Kelley Blue Book Reliability Score, 4.72. Repair Pal Annual Maintenance Cost, $673.
Number 6. 2010 Lexus RX. Engine, 3.5-liter V6. Horsepower, 275 horsepower. Torque, 257 pound-feet of torque. The 2010 Lexus RX was part of the third generation already, but it remains a solid option for buyers. Kelley Blue Book says the SUV has good reliability scores and ratings from owners, but it also has pretty low maintenance costs. It has good fuel economy and high safety scores, but the V6 is also known for its longevity. Overall, it is one of Lexus's best SUVs to this day. Reliability. J.D. Power Reliability Score, 5 out of 5. Kelley Blue Book Reliability Score, 4.8. Repair Pal Annual Maintenance Cost, $452. Car Edge Chance of Major Repair in the first 5 years, 4%. Number 5. 2015 Lexus GS. Engine, 3.5-liter V6. Horsepower, 306 horsepower. Torque, 277 pound-feet of torque. There are many GS years on this list, but you already know why. Its long history of reliability helps bolster its reputation, but it has continued to be a solid and long-lasting sedan. The 2015 Lexus GS still has pretty average ownership costs, but keeping up with maintenance can help keep that lower. According to US News, it also has good safety ratings and a comfortable ride, making it one of the best mid-size cars. Reliability. J.D. Power Reliability Score, 5 out of 5. Kelley Blue Book Reliability Score, 4.8. Repair Pal Annual Maintenance Cost, $617. Car Edge Chance of Major Repair in the first 5 years, 3%. Number 4. 2013 Lexus RX. Engine, 3.5-liter V6. Horsepower, 270 horsepower. Torque, 248 pound-feet of torque. If you lived in the US during the early 2010s, you know the RX was like a pandemic. It was everywhere. You couldn't escape it. But it was popular because it was reliable, cheap to maintain according to Repair Pal, and didn't require much attention. There are plenty of these on the road still, and the RX is still a popular SUV from Lexus to this day. The 3.5-liter V6 isn't thrilling, but it is durable and long-lasting, which is what most owners wanted. Reliability. J.D. Power Reliability Score, 5 out of 5. Kelley Blue Book Reliability Score, 4.8. Repair Pal Annual Maintenance Cost, $659. Car Edge Chance of Major Repair in the first 5 years, 4%. Number 3. 2007 Lexus ES. Engine, 3.5-liter V6. Horsepower, 272 horsepower. Torque, 254 pound-feet. The 2000s were still kind to the Lexus brand, with many models like the ES outlasting their counterparts on the road. They retain high reliability scores, which is important, but they also have high scores from actual owners and consumers. Maintenance costs are pretty low according to Repair Pal, especially if you keep up with things before they break. You can still buy a 2007 Lexus ES for under $10,000, and I wouldn't be too worried about finding one with over 100,000 miles. Change the oil, keep up with the suspension, and do regular maintenance, and maybe it will see 500,000 miles one day. Reliability. J.D. Power Reliability Score, 5 out of 5. Kelley Blue Book Reliability Score, 4.8. Repair Pal Annual Maintenance Cost, $380. Car Edge Chance of Major Repair in the first 5 years, 3%. Number 2. 1991 Lexus LS400. Engine, 4-liter V8. Horsepower, 250 horsepower. Torque, 260 pound-feet. It isn't uncommon to see an old LS driving down the road, even to this day. One of the most famous examples is Matt Farah's 91 LS, which he documented hitting 999,780 while getting pulled over by a cop. He paid only $1,400 for it and spent like $4,000 to get it to 1,000,000 miles. Whatever was in the secret sauce back in the early 90s at Lexus was obviously a well-guarded and highly respected recipe. Reliability. Highest mileage ever recorded, 1 million plus by Matt Farah. Edmunds Owner Score, 4.5. Kelley Blue Book Consumer Score, 4.7. Number 1. 1993 Lexus GS.
Engine, 3-liter inline-6. Horsepower, 220 horsepower. Torque, 210 pound-feet. There is definitely something magical about an early 1990s Lexus GS. It could be the bulletproof inline-6, or it could just be the overall build quality. Regardless, it worked back then, and it still works now. The 1993 Lexus GS engine required little maintenance, but was known for its longevity, and Lexus used all of its best engineering to craft the magical machine that was the GS. The whole car was relatively simple, using high-quality materials throughout the decades. There are definitely higher mileage vehicles out there, and we wouldn't be surprised if someone who isn't on the internet has a million-mile GS out there somewhere. Reliability. Highest mileage ever recorded, 224,000 on Lexus Owners Club. Edmunds Owner Score, 4.5. Kelley Blue Book Consumer Score, 4.7.